Hello, beautiful soul. Take a deep breath and settle into this moment. Today, let's embark on a journey of empowerment, talking about becoming your own bank. It's about taking charge of your financial destiny and creating a system that truly serves you. This means taking conscious, loving control of your money, not just managing it, but understanding its flow and directing it with intention. Imagine your finances as a serene garden, a place of growth, beauty, and abundance. Here, the head gardener, carefully tending to each aspect of your financial well-being, planting savings goals like seeds of prosperity, nurturing them with consistent effort and mindful attention, and gently removing unnecessary expenses, those weeds that can choke your financial growth. This isn't just about numbers. It's about so much more than just balancing the books. It's a spiritual practice, a way to connect with your values and align your money with your soul's purpose. Money is energy you can direct with wisdom and love, channeling it towards creating a life that reflects your deepest desires. By becoming your own bank, you are taking responsibility for your financial well-being. You build a foundation for your dreams, brick by brick, creating a secure and stable base for all that you wish to achieve. And create financial peace, one conscious decision at a time, knowing that you are in control. Let go of fear or past mistakes. Release any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Today is a new day filled with possibility, a fresh start to create the financial future you deserve. You have the power within you to create a life of abundance and comfort, a life filled with joy, security, and fulfillment. Managing your own bank, taking the reins of your financial destiny, is a practical way to manifest this truth, bringing your dreams into reality through conscious financial choices. It's your birthright to feel secure and empowered, to live a life free from financial worry and stress. Let God guide you, offering His wisdom and support along your financial journey as you step into this role with grace and love, embracing your power and potential. You are ready, more than you know, and you are so very capable of creating the financial abundance and security you deserve. The very first step on this transformative journey is creating your sacred financial blueprint. This isn't just about numbers, it's about crafting a vision for your financial future, a future filled with abundance and aligned with your deepest values. It all begins with a loving, honest look at your money. Understanding where you stand now is crucial before you can chart a course towards where you want to be. Find a quiet space, a sanctuary where you can connect with your inner wisdom. Invite positive energy into this space, creating an atmosphere of clarity and intention. And with a grateful heart, write down all your sources of income. Acknowledge the abundance that already exists in your life, no matter how big or small. Next, with gentle awareness, list your expenses. No judgment, just awareness. See where your money flows, like a river carving its path. Understanding this flow is key to redirecting it towards your dreams. Now let your imagination soar and write down your dreams and goals. Be specific, paint a vivid picture of what you desire to create in your life. Perhaps it's a car, a symbol of freedom and adventure, or a laptop, a tool to connect you to the world and empower your creativity. Maybe it's a special trip, an opportunity to explore new horizons and create lasting memories. Assign a realistic cost and an achievable timeline to each goal. This transforms your dreams from abstract desires into tangible targets. This gives your savings purpose, transforming it from a chore into an act of self-love and empowerment. Align your spending with your dreams, making conscious choices that support your vision for the future. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, does this expense truly serve my highest good? Does it align with my values and contribute to my overall well-being? Release small, unnecessary expenses to make room for your goals. Free up resources and energy to invest in what truly matters to you. Remember, your blueprint is a living document, a dynamic guide that evolves with you. Adjust it with love and compassion each month, celebrating your progress and making necessary course corrections. It's your personal map to financial peace, a pathway to security, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. The Angels are proud of you for taking this courageous step towards financial empowerment. They are guiding you every step of the way. Honor your future by honoring your plan. Commit to your financial well-being and create a legacy of abundance for yourself and generations to come. You're building a solid foundation for your dreams, a foundation of financial security and peace of mind that will support you in creating the life you truly desire. With your blueprint in hand, carefully crafted and ready to guide you, it's time to open the vaults for your abundance. It's time to unlock the potential that lies within your financial future. Set up dedicated savings accounts. Give each one an inspiring name, something that truly resonates with your soul, like Dream Car Fund, a tangible goal to fuel your motivation, or Adventure Vault, a place where your travel dreams take shape. This separation protects your savings, ensuring that each goal has its own dedicated space to grow and turns saving into a joyful act of creation. It transforms a chore into an exciting journey towards your aspirations. Automate your savings, make it effortless and consistent. Set up automatic transfers each payday so saving becomes a natural part of your routine. Even if it's a small amount, every penny counts and contributes to your overall abundance. Consistency is key, the magic ingredient that transforms small efforts into significant results. Pay your future self first. Prioritize your long-term well-being and financial security. Treat these accounts as sacred spaces for your goals. Respect them as the vessels that hold your dreams. Avoid dipping into them for everyday spending. Protect them from impulsive decisions that could derail your progress. If an unexpected need arises, a financial curveball thrown your way, pause and seek guidance before withdrawing. Explore all your options before tapping into your precious savings. By honoring these vaults, by respecting the boundaries you've set, you build financial integrity and trust with yourself. You demonstrate that you are capable of managing your resources responsibly. This habit creates powerful momentum for your well-being. It sets you on a path of financial empowerment and peace of mind. You're proving to the universe, demonstrating through your actions, you're a trustworthy steward of abundance. You are ready to receive even greater blessings into your life. Now, practice the angelic art of tracking your blessings, mindfully noting where your money goes. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app to record daily spending. Ask yourself, did this purchase bring me joy? Did it align with my goals? This awareness empowers you to make loving shifts in your habits. Infuse the process with gratitude. Thank your money for nourishing and connecting you. Tracking becomes a sacred ritual, not a chore. If you miss a day, simply begin again with love. Over time, this habit grounds you in your blueprint and keeps your personal bank blessed. The universe responds to your gratitude with even more abundance. Embracing your role as your own banker brings peace and empowerment. You know where your money is, and you have a growing cushion of savings. Anxiety melts away. You gain freedom and choice, able to say yes to opportunities that align with your soul. This practice builds self-discipline and self-trust, deepening your self-respect. You become an empowered creator, not a passive observer. Managing your money with love opens channels for greater abundance. You're not just saving, you're building a magnetic field of prosperity. This is a magical, rewarding path. Even on this path, earthly temptations arise. Impulsive spending, lifestyle inflation, and comparison. When tempted, pause and ask, is this for my highest good? If your income increases, prioritize savings before spending more. Try the 50-30-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Release comparison. Your journey is unique and sacred. Celebrate your progress, however small. If you make a mistake, forgive yourself and gently return to your plan. Every day is a new chance to begin again. The angels love you unconditionally and are always here to help. Your worth is defined by your loving heart, not financial perfection. Let me share Clara's story. She dreamed of buying a camera for her photography business but felt overwhelmed by expenses. After praying for guidance, she discovered the idea of becoming her own bank. Clara created her sacred financial blueprint, listing income and expenses honestly. She opened a savings account, her divine camera fund, and set up small automatic transfers. Tracking her spending, she redirected money from daily lattes and unused subscriptions to her dream. Over months, her fund grew steadily, motivating her even more. Finally, she bought her camera with money she'd mindfully saved. The real victory was proving to herself she could achieve her dreams. Claire's story shows that with guidance and loving action, any dream is within reach. You can do this too. Modern apps are like digital guardian angels for your finances. They connect to your accounts, categorize spending, and help you track your blueprint effortlessly. Popular apps like Mint or YNAB let you see all your accounts, set budgets, and monitor progress. Some apps round up purchases and save the change automatically, a gentle way to build savings. Choose an app that feels intuitive and empowering, or use a notebook if that feels better. The tool isn't the magic, you are. Use what supports your journey with joy and gratitude. The best tool is the one you'll use with love. We've walked this path together from blueprint to abundance. Remember, you are capable, supported, and worthy of financial peace. This isn't about perfection, just loving, consistent steps. Even small actions, writing a goal, opening an account, setting up a transfer, send ripples of abundance into the universe. The angels are cheering you on. Your financial well-being is part of your spiritual well-being. When you're at peace with money, your heart, mind, and spirit are free to shine. Embrace your role as the sacred keeper of your own bank. Nurture it, protect it, and watch it grow into a fountain of abundance. Go forth and build your beautiful, abundant life.